Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your daily market update for Monday, April 20th, 2026. The mood on Wall Street this morning is decidedly mixed. Let's break it all down. Starting with the major indices. We're seeing red across the board. The S&P 500 is down 0.3%, sitting at 707.69. The Nasdaq is taking the hardest hit, dropping 0.5% to 645.53. The Dow Jones is holding up a bit better, dipping just 0.11% to 493.69. So broad weakness, but not a panic by any means. Now let's talk about the Magnificent Seven, because some big names are under real pressure today. Meta is leading the sell-off, falling 2.41% to $671.94. That's a notable drop for a single session. Tesla isn't far behind, sliding 2.11% to $392.15. Amazon is down 1.27%, trading at $247.38. Nvidia is pulling back 1.03% to $199.60. And Alphabet rounds out the top 5 movers, also down about 1% at $338.18. Not a single green name among the mega caps today. That's weighing heavily on the Nasdaq especially. Shifting over to commodities. And here's where it gets interesting. Oil is surging. WTI crude is up nearly 6%, trading at $122.85 per barrel. That is a massive single-day move. Meanwhile, precious metals are going the other direction. Gold is down about 1% at $441.38. Silver is taking an even bigger hit, falling 2% to $72.16. The divergence between oil and metals tells a complicated story about inflation expectations right now. In the crypto space, things are relatively calm. Bitcoin is up about 0.5%, trading at $75,683. Ethereum is essentially flat at $2,310.76. Crypto seems to be sitting this equity sell-off out for now. Unfortunately, no Forex data is available for us this morning, so we'll skip that and jump straight to the headlines. The Washington Post is reporting that soaring jet fuel prices and shortages could threaten European vacation plans this summer. That tracks perfectly with the oil spike we're seeing today. Higher crude means higher fuel costs across the board. In a disturbing story out of Europe, the Associated Press reports that baby food brand HIP is recalling jars in Austria. Samples tested positive for rat poison. A developing situation we'll keep watching closely. And the Wall Street Journal has a piece digging into Sam Altman's personal investments. The OpenAI CEO's financial dealings continue to draw scrutiny as the AI industry evolves at lightning speed. So to wrap it up, it's a cautious Monday morning. Equities are under pressure. Mega caps are dragging the indices lower. And oil is surging. That combination tends to make traders uneasy. Watch for any developments on the energy front this week, especially with crude above $122. Keep an eye on whether those Magnificent Seven losses accelerate or stabilize by the close. And stay tuned for any follow-up on those jet fuel supply concerns heading into summer travel season. That's your morning update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.